Come test drive the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.